In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow Canva to access your microphone and camera. This is essential for using Canva's recording features effectively, whether you're preparing presentations, tutorials, or any content that demands voiceovers and on-screen appearances. Let's start by launching Canva on your browser and opening the design you're planning to share through a presentation. Once you have your design open, look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll find the Share button. This is your gateway to accessing the recording features. Clicking on Share unveils a drop-down menu displaying various options to distribute your design. Here's where you'll want to find the Present and Record option. Clicking this will enable us to progress to the recording features within Canva. Following this, a new screen should load, presenting you with different presentation options. Look out for the Go to Recording Studio button. This is your destination for setting up your audio and video. Click on it and Canva will guide you into the Recording Studio interface, ready to capture your voice and image. Now you'll notice a prompt seeking permissions to access your microphone and camera. This step is crucial. Make sure to carefully accept these requests to ensure Canva has the permissions needed to record you. Granting access may look slightly different depending on the browser you're using. Browsers like Chrome often show a small pop-up or drop-down requesting permission. Just hit allow and you'll be all set to proceed. Here is an extra tip. If you're using a workspace or shared computer, you might want to double check your browser settings for any restrictions on microphone or camera access. On Chrome, this can be reviewed in the Privacy and Security section under Site Settings, where you'll find controls to manage camera and microphone permissions specifically for Canva. Once access is granted, you should see yourself on the screen through your camera feed. Taking a moment to check your microphone levels is a wise step, ensuring your audio will be captured cleanly without any unexpected issues during the recording. Adjust settings as needed to ensure both video and audio are clear, and voila, you're now ready to record. Canva's integrated tools allow you to seamlessly switch between your slides, narrate your presentation, and make your public speaking endeavors shine. Completing this setup means you can focus on delivering great content without technical hiccups. With everything in place, feel free to dive into your presentation, recording sessions, and creativity with confidence. Enjoy experimenting with Canva's recording features and make the most of this versatile tool for all your design and presentation needs. Happy creating!